Hi, Abner Zelnick here, Realtor, living in South Orange County. Website, futuresteprealty.com, 805-792-6221, 805-792-6221, futuresteprealty.com. Thank you. So you want to move to Dana Point? You shouldn't. I'm just kidding. It's got the best coastline, great views. Doheny Beach is rocking every summer, barbecues, concerts, lots of events, lots of good surfing. Also, Dana Point is wonderful to go to the harbor and the Lantern District, and it's a great place for whale watching and dolphin watching. We have year-round Mediterranean weather of 72 degrees, and we also have 275 days a year of sunshine. We're one of the safest communities in all of California, and great education. Right next to our wonderful home is Dana Hills High School. It's rated one of the best in California. Definitely can go to an Ivy League from there. No negatives about Dana Point. If you like weather, whale watching, wonderful California views, and classic comfort lifestyle. This is the gorgeous entrance, the front patio. This is the living area. Here to our left we have the former living room with a beautiful wood burning fireplace with a gas also available. And this is the family room. To the beautiful garden on the patio. Today we have a little bit of a hazy day, but that's the ocean over there. And here in the family room, we go to the kitchen. Completely stainless steel kitchen. Stovetop, microwave, garbage disposal, and a beautiful dishwasher, quartz countertops, and all the doors and windows have been upgraded about a year ago. It's all now beautiful aluminum and energy efficient windows. With a window to the balcony. Beautiful closets. And well finished out upstairs full bathroom. The house has throughout white plank wood floors. Nice high ceilings, and we even have a sunroof. It's maintained by the homeowner association, so nothing to worry there. So here we have a nice cozy nook to relax. With a window to the beautiful pine tree. Here's the first guest bedroom. This is the master with an ensuite, bathroom and shower tub, Berber carpeting in the second master. And here's the main master bedroom. You have the bathroom right here. Nice walk-in shower. Sink, nice and roomy. And this is the master bedroom. Nice, roomy accommodation. To the garden. This is an unfinished patio. The owners that purchased this are more than welcome to add a patio. And this is just an evergreen space. Lots of little bunnies about. And over there, today's a little cloudy, you have the ocean. After watching this video, you want to know more about Orange County and wonderful places to do and be, please check right up here. Thank you.